Hello, this is Professor Artik from Ankara University. I want to explain now food safety and food security. Before this, I want to explain the food conservation techniques. We have 7 different techniques. One, preservation heat treatment, just like pasteurization and sterilization. The other one, preservation with acid, the sample pickle production. The other one, drying, dried apricot and dried vegetables. Preservation with sugar, sample jam production. 5, preservation with preservatives, sodium benzoate, just like a lemonade production. Freezing preservation, meat, fish and fruit. And irradiation, we are using only spices. Here I want to explain the food safety and food security. Generally, food safety and food security sometimes confusing very much. Some people is using the food security instead of food safety. Food safety is provision of food stuffs suitable for consumers in terms of physical, chemical, and microbiological aspects. With the increasing population of the world, the need of foodstuff has increased. Producer, on the other hand, started conventional production in which chemical inputs are used in agricultural areas in order to buy more products per unit area to meet the high demand of foodstuffs. In this situation, Turkey is a candidate country for EU countries. Because of this, now we are discussing, since 10 years, we are discussing about food safety and food security. Our position and European position concerning the food safety, I want to explain. First of all, in EU country, first of all, they prepared Green Revolution. And they prepared some rules concerning some hazards of foods. The World Health Organization Global Food Safety Concerns, I want to say now, microbiological hazards, chemical hazards, screening and monitoring of foodborne diseases, new technologies, improving existing administrative and human capacity in the countries. Food safety is one of the issues that the United Nations agencies priorities within the framework in their fields in duty. 1997, there was a coordination committee in United Nations. And that time, Food and Agricultural Organization and International Fund of Agricultural Development prepared one report. In that World Food Summit, they discuss about the food safety. Concerning communication network operating in Turkey within the framework of the United Nations Resident Coordinator System and the leadership of FAO country offices are carried out with the contribution and participation of the relevant government on the non-government organization. In addition, the Codex Alimentarius Commission determines the minimum quality and safety criteria for foodstuffs and makes recommendations to countries around the world. The World Trade Organization guides the rules of the safe quality, environmentally friendly food trade with the Health and Phytosanitary Agreement, SPS, and the Agreement of Technical Barriers, TBT. Here I want to say something about food safety and food security. Food security means the amount of food. The food safety begins from the primary production. And in EU countries and Turkey, food safety risk-based issues. We remove the risk, physical, chemical and microbiological risks This is very important for human health. Concerning food safety and food security issues, most important things to prevent consumer health and human being health. This is very important. Because of this, physical, chemical and microbiological risk should be removed from food production. In Turkey, we are following the EU regulation. Now, already Turkish food regulation harmonized to EU countries.